I'm David Housego, and I'm from the UK, but I've lived in India for 30 years. And for a long time, I've had a problem in my left knee. And that began when I was a child and was playing football, and my cartilage slipped. And in those days, they decided to remove the cartilage. So in the last few years, and most recently, I've been paying the price for that and found it difficult to walk, etc.
We decided to go ahead and do this knee surgery, for which David and I had researched and met some doctors and researched on what procedure to follow, and came to the conclusion that Dr. Ramneek Mahajan was the best one to do this MAKO robotic assisted surgery, and we chose to do it in Max.
David Housego, 83-year-old male, he did his left knee replacement using robotics. And let me tell you, this gentleman, a very active male even till now, he was so positive that he wanted his surgery because it was affecting his quality of life. The way he wanted to go to office, with the zeal that he had, it was no-brainer that we had to go ahead and fix him up.
And I think he's probably the only person in Delhi who is a specialist in this surgery. So I was very lucky to get an appointment with him. He immediately saw the x-rays and said, yes, you need to have surgery to replace the knee.
We did robotic assisted total knee replacement. So we did a CT scan, got his working plan made, and once the working plan was there with us, we used the help of computers, AI and robotics to do the surgery and give what we felt was the most adequate position of the implant.
I've had an outstanding experience. He was an absolutely excellent doctor. I've seen the x-rays after the surgery, and the knee, which was sort of like this beforehand, is now absolutely straight. He's done an absolutely marvelous job. And backing him up is a great team as well.
You know, I don't have much experiences of spending time in hospitals, but this has been really decent. I'm so, touched by the team and all the staff, even the caretakers and cleaners and nurses, sisters and doctors and physiotherapists. Everybody has been of a great help, very warm, very welcoming, and good luck to everybody. And we should go back, and hopefully David will be up and running very soon.
I've been very impressed by all that I've seen, and I'm very grateful to Dr. Mahajan, his team, and the hospital.
So I must say that the way the patient, the positivity that the patient shows also helps in recovery. And I would say that if anybody wants to get a knee replacement or any major surgery done, the first and foremost criteria for recovery is that they need to be positive in their approach. And Mr. David is probably the best person to tell you that the positive attitude helps in recovery. I wish him all the best for a future.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.